Let me see. He's cool. It's a little monster.
Whoa. Trying to figure out how to open this.
What is it? A little wheel?
Yeah, I already opened this.
Came with all these little parts.
There must be more trucks.
I always say wheels, so they come labeled. In a little blind bag. In the truck boy, or truck body. Haha, I said truck boy.
Oh, they're pieces.
What's this? Oh, and this is slime. Oh, that's the best part. The little smashers. Let me see. Can I see him? Show me your little guy. What? Oh. That looks like a little brain guy. He's cool.
You got 2 of them. Oh, man. What? Look at that guy.
What are you building? You building a wall?
Mm-hmm.
That's funny. You want to open up some more?
You want to open up slime?
No, not yet. Let's see what else we got.
Okay. Open it. You get it? Yeah.
Oh, you got another little dude. Those are the smashers, maybe? That's what they call.
Oh, let me see. Let me see, Jim.
Oh, that's a little shark. Look at him. Look, Bobby.
Oh, and then he has a little trophy with him.
He's a champion shark. That's funny. Okay, so we got like the little blue guy, the red guy, and we just got the shark.
The slime one. You want to open the slime?
Of course.
Here, you.
Oh, it's a little button on there. You're funny. And then you got the little brain head. He looks funny.
Monster and then shark. That looks like a blue monster.
And then the shark. Open the slime. Let's see. Those are the little cones. I thought it was gonna be green too. It looks like tar. What though? You want to touch it? No. He's like, nope.
Wait, can you take these apart?
Oh yeah. A slime in between them. Take it apart. There you go.
Oh, blue slime. Blue slime.
You don't want no slime? Look, we'll play with the sand. Look, you got sand over here.
Hold on, let me try to clean these off a little bit.
This cool little sensory toy. And then you probably put the little slime in there and make the little. Sorry.
Here, with the wheels on. No, mommy.
I see.
Now we got. Whoa. But what is this? This is like roach.
It looks
Let me
like,
touch it. Let me touch it.
it looks like
Figure
kinetic
it out.
sand.
Yeah, like stick, like magnet sand. What's that, Bobby?
It's
Ooh.
slime. It's like slime. That is slime. Slime? That is slime.
Yeah, it's slime. That's so cool.
Can I touch it? Hold it. I'm none. I'm none. No. Here you go. Come on.
I'm gonna wash the car and then get it.
Oh my god, y'all.
We'll
Another one. Let's do another one. That's yours. That's yours. Gio said he was to do another one. What? That's yours? Okay, we're gonna open the next box.
Okay.
This one says shark. It says shark bodies.
Make sure you ask your parents to help you cut with the scissors. Okay. Alright, so we got the truck's body. Oh, look, Bobby, it's a shark car. Oh my gosh, how cool is this?
Oh, this is
The monster truck with the shark horn.
wow. My toy. Oh, this is
Yeah, you gotta put it on top. I got you.
monster truck.
Yeah, look at that monster truck, baby. It's a shark. You see that? How cool is that? It's got teeth in that. Look around his eyes. That's cool.
I can't.
Alright, so that was cool little surprise bag. Any more bags we missed to see in the bags? Alright, let's open up this little one.
Alright.
Alright, so those are stickers.
I think the stickers.
Let's see.
Whoa. Look how pretty this is. I need. Ooh, I made a shaker. Need the can. Shark. I'm a shark. I'm a shark. A shark? Yeah.
Because you still got it on your tablet, right?
Oh,
You don't want to catch it on your
Peter.
tablet?
Not damn.
Oh, because I was going to say, oh, you cook too.
You both put it on. You want to put a sticker? That's yours. You want to put a sticker? That's yours. And do this dinosaur one? Dinosaur one. Pick which one.